Everybody know she the queen of the slow wine. Everybody know she the queen of the slow grind. But me wonder so if anybody know what gone on there in her mind. All the boys, them a want her all. When she clubs, them a jaws all fall. All from line for number to call. All them boys, them a want her all. But which of them boys, them a want her all? Them all stay, she no find it rude. Curse at her, them a talk so crude. Throw away, them a see her nude. Me suggest a bit of a downtowning. She gon' call me a prude. All the boys, them around her dance. All them there, them a wait for chance. Just for once to touch her ass and brag to the rest about the mass. She tell me she the queen and all them her subjects. She tell me is the queen, them a buy her objects. She no mind a flirty game or two to get a thing or two. She tell me to get a thing too, and I too could get her too. Me no gon' lie, the offer was a tempting one. But me no wanna die, that offer be a plenty one. Me ask her about her subjects that she loves adorning. How many of them have ever loved you past the morning? She look at me with a stare so blank, and not a drop drip from her wallowing tank. Everybody know she the queen.
I'm in love with men that don't, won't, or can't ever love me back. You love me. You treat me so well I don't have to worry when I'm around you. And whilst in theory that's great, a fairy tale come true, in reality it's a nightmare. So I can't be with you. I need what I'm used to. It makes no sense. That's the truth.